Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat something went wrong. To know how to fix or to solve WeChat something went wrong, you should just go settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click here. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors on your app. And after that you can go to Play Store, you will find WeChat uninstall. Then you can wait a moment and you can install again your application. And then you can know how to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.